In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new VAT code to QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process, and once you know where to find the setting, it only takes a moment to complete. If you need to create a custom VAT rate for a specific product, service, or tax situation, QuickBooks Online gives you a quick way to do that directly from the sales tax area. To begin, look over to the left-hand side of QuickBooks Online and click All Apps. This is where you can access different sections of your account beyond the main dashboard. From there, select Sales Tax Settings. This will take you into the area where your tax agencies, rates, and related setup options are managed. Once you're on that page, move to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Add Agency button, and next to it there's a small caret icon. Click that caret icon to open the Additional Options menu. This is important because the option to create a custom VAT code is tucked inside that drop-down rather than shown as a main button. From the menu that appears, click Add Custom Rate. This is the option you'll use when you want to create a new VAT code manually instead of using an existing setup. After selecting it, QuickBooks will open a form for the new rate details. Now enter the required information carefully. Start with the name of the VAT code. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you manage more than one tax rate. Then enter the agency name connected to that VAT code. After that, type in the rate itself. Make sure the percentage is correct before saving, since this rate can affect how tax is calculated on transactions. Once everything is filled in, click Save. QuickBooks will then add the new VAT code to your list, and it will be available for use where needed. And that's it. That's how to add a new VAT code to QuickBooks Online. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check the rate details before using the new code on invoices or sales forms, just to make sure everything matches your tax requirements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.